What's good, DJ? What's good? It's Tuesday, March 25th. The time is currently 1:21 p.m. Back like we never left, right? Today actually for a little bit longer, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe it's because I was out of here by like 11, 10, 11. Yeah. I clean my second eye. Go clean my second eye. But yeah, Tuesday. No news this afternoon, okay, but we did have high impact news already this morning, so it's an optimal day to take a trade. So we're all set there. Risk going into today. Yeah, it's trade routine, right? Let me rewind. Time at desk. So I arrived at my desk at 1:15 actually. Obviously I didn't start this till 1:20, but I was here at 1:15. Getting myself prepped for the PM session, okay? As always, my weekly target is 5%, and my daily target is my two bullets, however that pans out. All right. Mental check-in, I'm feeling pretty good. I feel so much better about the losses today than I did yesterday. I'm just like, I'm so much calmer now. Like I just control the controllables is all I keep saying to myself. Control the controllables and, don't get worked up about things you can't control, right? Um, yeah, so I'm feeling pretty good. Excited to see what price action has in store for us this PM session. Excited to grow and get 1% better. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that come to trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. Yeah, so like I was saying, we don't have news this afternoon, but we did have high impact and medium impact news this morning, so it still makes it an optimal day to take a trade, right? Bearing in mind we see our setup. So we can go ahead and determine risk. I believe the only one, the 250K ones is a set risk anyway, is 300 max per trade and two losses per day or 600 minus 600 on a day, and then I'm done trading on those accounts. But for the 100K one, it is we'll be going, I took a loss at 4, so we'll be going in at 3 there, okay, if we get to trade on that account this afternoon. Cool. Risk determined, risk determined. Let's get into it. Our weekly program is a buy program, okay? Nothing's really happened. Let's see if, well, we was here this morning, right? But nothing's really happened at lunchtime to, change that weekly program for me right now. Right now, my draw is buy side here. Okay. I was looking when I got to my desk. I was on the phone outside looking at my desk, enjoying my balcony and my view. And I was on the charts, right, looking at the higher time frame, trying to get a better understanding of where their movements and where they're moving to, potential draws on liquidity. Okay, so that's what I'm testing something here on the 1 hour, being able to see the highs, key highs and lows on the 1 hour. Okay, so it's between 1 hour and M15 highs and lows. I'm gonna scratch M5s. M5 is gonna become just an entry and the highs and lows will be M15 and 1 hour. Okay, so something I'm collecting data on. So it's the first day, so but still, that's what I want to see. So let's do this. I only had them on here so I can justify this thing here. Okay, so I'll keep it on for now, but I won't be paying attention to them, obviously. But yeah, so nothing's happened over in price action to change our weekly program. So let's go ahead and note any new highs and lows that we haven't got already, okay? Not our key highs and lows. We have buy side, um, AM session buy side. All right. I don't need to know it out because it's the same here and it's extended already. So we'll leave it for now. Above price, okay, we have lunch session buy side as well. Okay. Oh, hasn't been confirmed yet. Well, it'll be confirmed once the 1:30 candle on the 15-minute finishes. So when the 1:45 candle begins, that will confirm lunch, buy and sell. So for now, they're not confirmed on the 1 hour or the 15 minutes. So we wait and we do nothing. That's what, yes, cool. That's where it comes in at. I noticed earlier or today that the low on the 1 hour, AM session low on the 1 hour, obviously it doesn't get the 9:30 open. So it's better on the 15 minute, but I can still take in 1 hour, just because I want a higher time frame. Kilo. I'm talking to myself here, DJ. I know what I'm saying. Kilo taken. So yeah. So what I was saying is I noticed that they're in different spots, and just the reason because obviously the time, right? 1 hour doesn't get the 15, the 30. It just goes straight the whole hour, 1 hour is how many candles on a 15 minute? 15 minute? Four candles, right? So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Between these 4 candles. Wouldn't the low still be here though? Between these 4 candles. Oh no, it doesn't. That's not the hour though. Makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's part of this hour. And then this hour begins here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, okay. I get it. Oh, I get it. This candle is part of the previous hour. This is the new hour. So obviously that low will be here. Okay, that makes sense. So 1 hour AM session low is here, but on the 15-minute, obviously, is here. So I'm testing them out, so we'll see. We'll see. We will see. I also want to change these and make them extend to the right as well. So that would be a task for the day, if I remember. Kilo inefficiency here, okay, is left relative equal highs up here. So it could come down here and then continue Israeli high. We'll see. We'll let price do its thing. Oh, there was a lunch. I think those are the only highs. Like I said, we're waiting for lunch to be confirmed. And then obviously we'll have those highs, but that's the only highs, really. Waiting for this to be confirmed. Yep. We have open range already on there, so that's fine. Yeah, so current draw right now. Sell side into an inefficiency. We have a 15-minute order block here from that setup, right? So this is the last stop on this uptrend anyway, for me, from what I can tell. We'll see. We'll see though. But yeah, couple seconds till opening bell. Oh yeah, opening bell for PM session, but there's no opening bell, but PM session is about to kick off in a couple of seconds. We did have a lunch session trade here, okay, during 11:50 macro. All right, opening range buy side, open range session buy side. Key high, swing high, displacement back below it, fair value gap here. Gives you 1 to 2, okay, and 102. And that's pretty much it. It comes back in, takes you out. We had a few opportunities actually. We had one here, this here. This was one here, this was one. This could have been one, but obviously, as you can see, it turns into a fat loss. But the others would have offered you something at least. PM session kicking off. Let's go. All right. Let's see how this goes. I'm not sure you about it. So that means I wouldn't want to see them on this. It would just be plain lines on here. And just the time. Yeah. Really and truly just time, right? And the lines. Don't need the background and stuff on here. Feels nice, but for now, we'll leave it. So when this candle finishes, that will then confirm lunch buy side and sell side, I believe. Yeah, because when you come down here. Mm. So yeah, I'm interested to see moving forward how the 1 hour key highs and lows or the session highs and lows, because the session highs and lows, blend into my model here to what I currently have going on. I'm interested. Can't wait to start, breaking in that data. But yeah, I think I want 15-minute, 1 hour lows. And then I go on the low time frame to anticipate the entry. It will be like my intermediate time frame. So I have my higher time frame, which is the weekly, daily 4 hour. Intermediate 15, 1 hour 15. Entry time frame is 5 and below. Q, Q, Q. This was a setup right here. Open range buy side, swing high, displacement back below it. Market structure shift, fair value gap here. Right before 130 open. Let's see how much that would offer you. Just jumps at me, man. It just jumps at me. I wasn't paying attention to price at that time, but I was in front of my desk. I was too busy focused on the 1 hour thing I had going on here. Oh, okay. Nice to see. 1 to 3 smashed already. Actually, let's get it set up properly. Oh, -1, 8, +2, 51, 51. So it's 50. Hey, I like these stops again, They're back again. They're back in style again. uh 1 to 2 is hit, but meaning that tick wise is longer than risk to reward now. So risk reward is like seeming like the low hanging fruit right now from what I've been seeing in price. Bro. Yeah. You're getting from 1 to 3, 150. But for both my accounts there, majority would have been taken off already. So anything else above that is a bonus. It's a bonus. And it should be good. Could be completely wrong on mine. Well, not wrong because my weekly objective get hit, but it could tank from here too. Just smack all these lows. Coming to equilibrium, came into equilibrium of the 20-day look back. Brr. Next dotted line is down here. Midpoint of those two. Somewhere here. Let's see. Yeah, somewhere. Like I was saying, somewhere here. So this is looking highly probable to then continue higher maybe. But who knows that? So should I be going back to the 4 in terms of? I don't really look at the 5 minute really. I don't really trade off the 5 minute. I don't know why I have it. I mean, it's good to see the setups there, but I can have something else doing that, doing the higher time frames of 5 minute or the time frames, I guess. And then my focus is just the 1 minute, you know? That's the goal anyway. So I could just get the 15, what, 15, 1 hour just for my lows and my inefficiencies. That's pertinent to the day. And obviously my entries always been on 1 minute. So let's hone in on that, right? Right, that's something I need to think about. Something I need to think about. We'll see. Might create another layout of that and trade on it for a week and see how I feel. Yeah. Because I barely even look at the 5 minute, to be honest, really and truly. Only like to see if there's any setups that formed on it, but that's about it, really. I don't trade off it because I don't like the risk on it right now. You know? So all my entries are on 1 minute. So does it make sense to just do that then? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Something to think about. Something to definitely think about. That's what I mean. Always seeking excellence, you know? That's what I'm trying to do. No, I can't be perfect, but I can seek to be excellent, right? In everything. In the model, execution, you know, patience wise, protocols. I can pursue that. 12:59. Yeah. I don't know what low is basing that off because I don't have any lows here. In a weekly low, definitely will be seeing that. Like he be saying to me. Let me check. should be about 5 weeklies. 3 dailies. Should be 3 dailies, right? 3 dailies. Well, let's start with the monthly. 3 monthlies, 5 weeklies, right? We are 8. 3 dailies, 9, 10, 11. Oh man. 11 with the high time frame. Daily, weekly, monthly, weekly, daily. And then the sessions, and how many sessions we go? They have London, 8 a.m., lunch, p.m. 1, 2, 3, 4. London, a.m., lunch, p.m. LM, p.m. LM, LAM, LPM. But anyway, 4 times 3 days. You want to see equals another 12. So it should be about, all in all, about 23 highs and lows, if my math is correct, which I believe to be 4 in a day, and then it's in 3 days. So it should be 23, a list of 23. This is page 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yeah. So yeah, 3 daily, monthly, 3 monthly. Okay, so we've had lunch confirmed now. Lunch won't be confirmed on here until this 1 hour is closed, though, right? So that would be interesting. But yeah, on the 15 minutes confirmed. We have lunch low. And we got a lunch high there, confirmed. This can be 1 hour because it's gonna confirm in a second. Yeah, I don't think in the next 10 minutes it's gonna come blow it out here. So it doesn't have to come down here. You can just take lunch low and then turn around top here. But yeah, I was doing this. Okay. Don't even do that. But this is perfectly 3, 5. Let's do some math. Right? 3 at 5 at 3. Yep, that makes 11 for the high time frame, right? And we have the sessions 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sessions. 4 times the past 3 days. It's 4 a day times 3 is 12. Yeah, 12 add 11. So give and take, depending if the day is done, it can be at least 23, 24 if it's lunch by the time AM session is done. 20, 25 by PM by the time lunch session is done, and 28 by the time PM session is done. So it should be 23 pause plus the current day. Just so I'm focusing on what's current and not what's, what's already done. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't need to see all those eyes. 23 plus. Okay, plus the 23 past plus whatever's current in the day. Well, then whatever. Yeah. Or four. Well, four. Yeah. Plus 4. 20. 23. 27. Mhm. 27. Oh, so the 1 hour would have been confirmed now. Yep, yep, yep. That's the session on the 15 minute and yeah. Okay, 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 okay. I like that. But this is brilliant. Me ear, me ear, me ear. Nothing's happening right now. I'm just debating on whether I'm gonna get rid of this 5 minutes. I barely even look at it for real, for real. Like when's the last time you heard me talk about the 5 minute time frame? Don't even remember talking about it. Like I look at it sometimes just to see if there's setups are there, but I don't really look at it. Where is this one coming from? It's getting deleted. It's taking open range on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. But that's not what we're here for. What is it? So it'll be good to watch and see. It would be in this trade, by the way, heading to 1 to 3. Nothing so far since 1:30. Oh, crap. Right here. Said nothing so far, but I was too busy with what I was doing. I missed this right here. Maybe it was a blessing in disguise. We'll see. But there's a sub right here, right now. There's a sale right here, right 157. Did it ring? It ring. Yep, 157. Caught that. Caught that bad boy. Give me a second. Let me see what sessions using that. So it's a daily. Yep, it's a daily. It is a daily. Do I have it here as a daily? Let's double confirm. Yep, it's definitely Friday. It's definitely Tuesday. And we're definitely using Monday, Friday, and Thursday. So it is a freaking daily. All right, so it has that daily up there. Cool, cool, cool. 157. Well, you probably would be, yep, you'd be getting taken out. Good thing I was distracted. Everything happens for a reason. I wasn't supposed to be in that trade. It wasn't my trade, and look at that. Because if I definitely saw that, I would have been like, well, but we are now in the discounted range. I'll be selling in the discounted range. We'll think about that too now. But anyway, 15 minutes setup here. Key high, open range buy side, swing high, displacement, market structure shift, this fair value gap. Let's see what it does, what it does. 50% of this equilibrium and the last quadrant is right here. So if it doesn't want to come here, down here into 50%, what is that telling me? That is strong. That it's got somewhere to, it's like a springboard. It doesn't even want to come low enough into a discount. All right, let's see though. Let's see. when this candle finishes, opening range will be confirmed on a 15-minute time frame. We'll have relative equal highs, relative equal lows, and it could potentially take the high tank or just take the high and continue higher into this discount here or continue higher. But yeah, so highly possible that I'm gonna be getting rid of this 5-minute, and it will be a 15-minute and 1 hour, and then my entry time frame, which has been the 1 hour. I mean 1 minute for since I can remember. I haven't really taken any trades on my account for live accounts anyway on any other time frame, but the 1 minute. So let's hone in on that picture and focus on the highs and lows from the 1 hour and the 15-minute because they're intermediate time frame. Narrow down to what we need to focus on. Pretty much that's it. Buy side confirmed there. Obviously, if you were a seconds trader, right? You could have used the 1 minute key highs and lows and found the second. Let's see, a second trade there. Let's see if there was one. Let's see. Let's do. 30 seconds. 15. There you go. Well, let's get the low first. Is the low at 2 o'clock? It's low at 2, so let's. Oh, it's 15 seconds. Yep. There you go. If you were a 15-second chart trader, scalper, you'd be on looking for 1 minute stuff, innit? 1, 2, 3, bing, bang, biggity bosh. I get it now. Makes sense. Big sub looks sharp. But obviously, more chances of you being wrong in this one, innit? So, because it's a lower time frame. But 1 to 2. 1 to 2. I know with my minus ones and stuff. But on this time frame, you would have to just cut that out, right? 1 to 2, because obviously more chance of you being wrong. So you don't need to be doing that. Obviously, you might not get tagged in sometimes. That's okay too. 1 to 2 would have been smash if you did that. Let's see. Let's see the other way. If 1 to 2 will still be offered to you. Oop. And that would be yourself right there, you know? Let's see if we get anything better on the 5 second. Even better on the 5 second. If you were a seconds trader, you just need on the 1 minute, right? So obviously here, this is what I meant by it's a double-edged sword. More opportunities, more chances to get wrong. You would have been wrong there. 1, 2, yep, right here is when you would have caught it. Beautiful. Right after opening range is done. 5 second chart. Come true with the win, bro. Come true. But I'm like, this is ultra scalping, right? This is scalping. I'm day trading, intraday trading. So I want the well, yeah, you can do the 1 minute, 5 minute lows, highs and lows on the 30 seconds. Or you can do what I'm doing now, the 1 minute setup on the 50 minute and 1 hour highs and lows, right? Because it's a much higher time frame than obviously the 1 minute and the 5 minutes. So, high probability setups. But still, this is a beauty. This is beautiful. When you're right, you're right. 1 to 8 on the 5 second chart. And that's you. Ooh, don't tempt me. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me. Maybe down the line. Maybe down the line. But for now, let me get comfortable with where I'm at. But yeah, even here it gives you another beautiful opportunity to get into opportunity. Obviously, you would have took this loss here, but then you would have made it back right here, and then another opportunity to get in. Yep, right here. Beautiful. Even smaller of a stop there. Beautiful, beautiful. And you don't worry about ticks here. This is definitely a risk to reward type energy. Or ticks, you can do ticks, but it will be like I'll start with 50. 50 ticks and go up from there. Yep. 50 ticks, 100 ticks, 150 ticks. Yeah, 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 yeah. 150. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's a level up. It's a level up, and this is what experience brings. It's a level up. Oh, mate. Oh, fucking hell, mate. It's not my trade, but it could have been somebody else's trade, right? Love that. Love that. Love that. Let's just copy that. Put that in here. And that would probably be the setup of the afternoon, really, because I don't think it wants to come that low, like I was saying. This was 50% between this quadrant level and the other quadrant level, this quadrant level. So if it's showing that it doesn't want to even come to equilibrium of that and it's just turning around, it means, yeah, I got somewhere to go up here. She's saying I got somewhere to go up here. You either know that's where I'm going or you miss out, right? But yeah, that was a brilliant second trade there, if that's your thing, right? But that's not my thing right now. Oh, mate. I love that. Just a level up just now. Different. Save this DJ for the books, boy. This was a level up. Oh, man. Let's just go look at it one more time because this is too sexy, bro. For my scalpers, or not even just the scalpers. 1 to 10. Come off it. Come off it. 200 ticks. Still nothing compared to what I've been getting, but still, you're in and you're out, bro. You're in and you're out. Silent killer. Ah, noise, 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 noise. Ooh, we've been looking bad all day, like you want to pour. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Ooh, ooh, wow, wow. For the people that can bang, 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 bang it out, that's brilliant. For you, then your intermediate time frame would be the 1 and the 5 minute, and your entry time frame will be 30 seconds and below. But yeah, so I'm about to scrap this off my shit because this is I don't want to see that. I want the intermediate and then I want my entry time frame. I want to focus on that. So let's see something here. Boat, boat. That was nice. That was real nice. Even though it's like nothing in terms of price movement, that was nice. That's wealth building right there. All right, all right, all right, all right. I see you. I see you. I see you. More opportunities take losses, but it's coming and it's going. Well, I can use all of them, but still, who wanna do that? That's a lot, man. Whichever one is in price, innit? But obviously, I'll need to have that set up already going, like the intermediate and the entry time frame for that. So that can be a scalper setup. Can do a scalper setup, like different kind of setups. For the next class, they're gonna get the juice. They're gonna get the goodies. They're gonna get the goodies. Um, this you're not gonna win them all. 1 to 1. It's an easy thing there. Let's see how that plays out. Might be switching up when you get anyway, back to my um scalp day trade. This is M15 and H1. Trade M1. Oh, M1. It's 10 and 5. Um, short term. Short term could be 4 hour and daily, and you're entering on the M15 time frame. It could be M15 and maybe H1. You have weekly and monthly high low entry on 4 hour, maybe daily. Wait, that's how I would equate that to that. Yeah. That's good information. Love it, love it. By me gaining experience and seeking excellence, it means the next people that I teach, they're gonna know what I know, right? So they'll come in, they'll be coming in, they'll be better than the last class, I guess, because they'll have, you know, a more experienced version of me. Mm. Yeah, I think this is how I wanna. This is how I want it. This is how I want it. And then from here, just show time. And we go playing down, and we'll see now. This is how I want it. Yeah. 1 to 2 would have been smacked. What are you telling them? But this is not my thing yet. This is not my thing yet. But this is cool. This is cool. This is a cool piece of information to have. 200 didn't, not two. Hey, we don't need 202. It's no more, bro. Just 200. 200 would have been hit, but 1 to 10 surely go smacked. Yep, 1 to 10 was right there. Nailed it. Your mama. Talk to her, don't talk to me. Talk to her, don't talk to me about it, please. And I love it because the risk here is like, ooh wee. Minimal risk, boy. Minimal. Yeah, I can intraday scalp on my thing there, but let me stick to where I'm at though. Let me stick to where I'm at. I like where I'm at too. Oh, one, two, three, four. Fourth candle is involved in the fair value gap, and it does trade back below the key high right here. So this was a cool setup there on the 1 minute. I missed it, so let's tape read it. Oh, the lovely weather, lovely weather. Mhm. So if you want to enter on the 5 minute and 1 minute, that's what I'm doing now, but I'm strictly on the 1 minute. Should do 1 minute and lower in it. Oh, this would be a nice setup. This is also nice. Give you one to two. Me to you. Let's go. The one. Mm. 6, 8, 525. So in March, should be seeing February, January, and December. It should be 24, 23, Friday. Should be 20, 20, 23, Monday, Friday, 21, Thursday, 20. Just read it and weep. Read it and weep. Quiet up, quiet back down. Ooh, new level unlocked, baby. New level unlocked. Stop playing with me because you don't know me. Oh, me is dead and gone. People, let me focus here. Let me get back on this for a little bit. Here's a trading session for me. So nothing's happening. I mean, I have it here, so I'll be here and here, so it's fine for now, I guess. What I'm doing is actually more important. Also, one thing great about using the contracts is, like I said, the market structure is so beautiful. The low of this, 19,34475 is the same as this. Low of this, 19,34475. That's why we always do -1, so you're tagged in that bitch. But anyway, 250 macro could be getting a sell here. I'm interested in this one. Let's do 6. We're looking at 8. Oh, nothing there. Or something there, but tiny thing there. We'll do 10 there. Is what we want to do. Order filled. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 3 will be left. Order filled. Close 2 off. one, one. I'll have three left. Let's have the majority of our 1 to 3. Um, the rest. Of the risk scale, took one off. With a 1 to 2, risk right now is 192. Then is 48. 44 here. Off anyway. 24. Takes us out, takes us out. Yeah. It is what it is. It allowed us to take something off and it took us out. Can't complain there. Read these. Now let's see what else it would have given us. There's 44 and stuff on here. Oh, it's because I did minus the 1. 48. Half the risk at 1. And there you go. You would have been taking out full risk there. 48, that means half the risk was supposed to be 24. I had it at 27. Yeah. Fine with that. I can accept that and my heart is still open. 1 to 1 here would have been hit. Now want to give us another one. We'll be here to get into it. But yeah, let's get back to this. weekly. That's that 1 minute setup right there. Panning out. No, let me go over here because I get the daily dividers. Um, Which is, yeah, still. Four, 24, 25. Eight, six, eight, five. Daily should be yeah, 4. Okay, we're getting this up here. We're getting this up here. Plus 2, 6 minus 1. Looking at 6. Looking at 7 now. $76. Up is 76. God. Order filled. Wait, oh, I was looking at this to see what it was giving me. 7, 8, really? 7, but 5 is fine. I'm already in the drawdown and 190. Hello? Hi.
I'll show you something fast. This take 3 and then take 2.
Hmm?
Does this look like the right way to take 3 off, then take 2 off?
I can't see anything.
Oh, really? What about now?
It says sharing screen, but I can't see the screen.
Uh-oh.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, I can see it now. Yeah.
Okay, well, I got into a cell because I have nothing better to do.
Well, I'm in there too for 5 too.
Oh, okay. All right, well, I get
Yes, we are. Where are you taking preference at?
102 and then my 1.15.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right.
Don't burst calling me.
All right, bye.
I don't
When I see the risk scores on this, 198. Cool. It's been a day full of failing sales, trying to sell. The market said, I just want to go higher. This is my draw. I want to come here. So trying to make me go lower. That's not what I want to do today. But 1 minute thing there. Oh, nice. Let's show it again. But I would be using a lower time frame entry than that. Uh-huh. I hope he's not up in here. Oh, I really do. It has not been a good day to be selling. And that's all our model's been giving us, really. What can we do about that? Nothing. I do know that my program is a buy program. All my trades has been counter trend trades. I haven't been getting any pro trend trades. The only one I got was today, and it was on what was 1 minute too here? Boom, boom. But that's not my trade. That's not my trade. Somebody's winning, it ain't me. Never mind the week starting from Sunday because on this indicator, that's what it does too. Starts it from well, from 4. Starts it from Sunday 6. Which I'm cool with when you go with that. No qualms with that. Session. Let's look at the session then. Mhm. 16. Okay. In this video, just the values are off. No, 1. Getting different values here. I don't like this trade, bro. It's not looking too good. We're in the weeds already, so just let it take me out. But yeah, now let's get into the sessions. I'm do what I'm doing here. And let that trade do its thing. I'll hear all the field in a second. Just been trying to sell on a heavily bullish day, heavily bullish week so far. So I don't know. That's just all I'm getting. So that's all I can partake in. It's not my trades, not my trades. You know, there was this, but I just got that I know in it. So that's still not my trade. Well, there is that opportunity. But anyway, sessions we're looking at. It should be the same as today's. 324. Mhm. Yesterday's London. The low one. 292, 1292. Love that. The higher as 371. Oh, yep, 372. Love that. Love that. Order filled. Order filled. Mm. Wait, what a crazy day. Sometimes that's just how the cookie crumbles, man. Both accounts are down 500. This is down 135. Let's check the bank account. Let's see if it dropped yet. Still ain't dropped yet. My girl wants to go higher. That's where she's going. Right? I love that. So that was London. I'm assuming that'll be New York 9:30. New York 9:30. I have to go as 20. 362. 3625. Yep. It's based on 1 minute course. So then at the high as 24,833. Nine six 0.5 cool. So it's based in it. It's based in it off the 1 minute. Cool, cool. It's really the same height though. Here comes the rain. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was unexpected. That shook me. Shook the ground from my bottom of my feet. Taking lunch by side there. She said, I want to go high. Take me higher. Take me higher, boy. Woo wee. I didn't even that's what I was saying. I didn't even want to come to equilibrium of the quadrant levels. Something's pulling it higher. Pulling it, pulling it, pulling it, pulling me, pulling me, pulling me, pulling me, pulling me, pulling me. It's raining, the cats and dog outside. It's 1 minute, right? I'm looking for the lower time frame. Let's see. Let's see where the entry would have been. Oh, it's over here. You're pulling me, pulling me, pulling me, pulling me, pulling me, pulling me. 350 macro, 350 macro, 350 macro. Taking lunch by side, 350 macro, 350 macro. What you got for me? This is the I'm on the right account. Yep, yep, yep. This is the one. This is the next one in line to take a loss. Because that's what it's been all day. That's what it's been all day. So this is next in line. Your time is up, my guy. Get ready. Oh, you might break the curse. Who knows? Get ready. Pulling me, pulling me, pulling me. Look at all this cell just failing, failing. One just hitting, barely just hitting, barely hitting 1 to 2. Pulling me, pulling me, pulling me. It said, Psyche, thought I was gonna do something for you there. Girl, bye, Felicia. Pulling me, pulling me, pulling me. Was a loss, but I still wanted to detect it. Swing high, pull. Polemme, polemme, polemme. Asia on there. Let me see. Polemme, polemme, polemme. Polemme, polemme, polemme. Come on. He's working his way up here, though. So I think, anyway. I want to go. I want to take me to the top. Take me to the top. I want to go to the top, top, top. And you're taking that by side. Took your sweet time. Beautiful. Beautiful. No chart offered us anything but the 1 minute. And that's not my chart I trade on. So, hmm, hmm. That's interesting, isn't it? Quite a conundrum. Pulling me, pulling me, pulling me. I'm gonna be done here in the next 5 minutes. It's been a day, man. It's been a day. It's been a day. I wonder how my brother did, because it's been a day. Tried to tell him, take this week off. Take this week off. But he's locked in. Woo-wee. After this, I'm gonna head to the gym, work out, come back, work on my PowerPoint, got a couple more things to finish up on the PowerPoint there. And keep preparing for class on Friday. New set of students. New set of students. London, or should be Asia then London then New York. It's closed. Well, there you go. 4:10. I forgot that's when they shut me. Yeah, that's when I'm done anyway. 4:10. Um, let's do a trade performance review because I got a lot to get done. All right, it was a madness of a day. Price just wanted to gravitate higher, and it is what it is. Ifta has somewhere she wants to go. She said, "I'm not giving nobody any opportunity." Well, I'm sure some people got the opportunity to get in on the ride, but according to my setup and my model, it didn't give me no opportunities to jump on board. It was just give me the opportunities to go the other way, and it just kept being like, nope, 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 nope. But anyway, what I did today is I showed up powerfully. Okay, got 1% better in these market, gained experience, learned lessons. Okay, got some stuff confirmed as well as like the first 10. Should I do the same for opening here? The first 10 minutes, wait for 10 to 15 minutes, or just really wait for opening range to be done. But the past 2 days, we've been getting some nice setups post opening range, key low, bing bang biggity bosh. We saw the seconds chart trade here, but obviously there's still a 1 minute chart trade here. Nice, nice, nice. Mm. I'm thinking. Anyway, it wasn't my setup for today anyway, so just let it go and let it do its thing. But beautiful, beautiful trade. That was a trade of the afternoon right there. Nice, 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 nice. But yeah, showed up, go 1% better, gain experience. The experience are compounding, okay, and I'm improving. My analyst is getting sharp out here in these streets. But yeah, that's pretty much what I did well today. Yeah, showed discipline. All right. Took my losses on the chin. Didn't feel the need to jump back on board and feel no need about the outcome. Not really. I showed up today. I did my job. Hey, just didn't pan out. Just didn't pan out. It's just one of those days. It is what it is. Keep it pushing. Where I fell short. Uh, PM session, I don't think I fell short anywhere. Yeah, I wanted to see this get taken and then to see if it would come back in here, but it came before. It left it and came back to it. Doesn't have to take that. But where I fell short, where I fell short, where I fell short. Not really anywhere, really and truly. I didn't step out of boundary. I didn't, I didn't, I ain't see nothing that I did wrong today. If you saw something different, DJ, you let me know. All right, when the cameras are off, you let me know, okay? Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. But anyway, how can I improve for the next day, next trading session? Keep doing what I'm doing, okay? Keep being disciplined, keep following the model, the processes, the protocols, and the procedures. Keep following my trading routine. My risk management plan is in place. I'm good. All right. Took losses, but hey, like I always say, that's the only thing promised to traders, all right? Every trader will experience a loss, and every trader will experience a series of losses, all right? Our job here is to control the controllables, and that's risk management and ourselves. That's how I should say that one. But other than that, yeah, it's been a good day of trading. All right. Outcome wasn't what I wanted, but hey, I'm not outcome based trader no more. I'm just executing on the model and the procedure. So the questions I should be asking myself is, did I follow my model? Yes. Did I let the analyst lead? Yes. Um, did I step out of bounds in anything in terms of my protocols, my procedures, and my risk management? No. So hey, that's a good day for me. I showed up today and I did my job. Just the outcome wasn't favorable. It is what it is. I'll catch it next one. I'll catch it tomorrow. Tomorrow's a different day. It's a whole new day. We have news at 8:30. All right, we have high impact news at 8:30. We'll still be kicking off at 9:15 as usual. And we have another high impact news coming out at 10:30. Okay, so let's confirm that with Forex Factor. Not next week, but whatever. 8:30 is the only one it's got here, and it's got it as a medium impact. But anyway, regardless, we have news, so it's an optimal day to take a trade. Okay, so we'll be here tomorrow, kicking off at 9:15. Okay, for another. Let's talk about it. Let's review our day so far. Took a loss here on this account. We're down 132 bucks. Still waiting on money to drop, which is cool. We can handle that. Down 500, which is $100 less than my daily limit on there, so I'll take that. So I'll leave it because it's teaching me to have control of myself, right? And I think this one is the same one, down 520, 521. Really and truly, my risk per trade on these two accounts is 300 bucks. That's the max I can risk on a trade. That's why I'll calculate the leverage going in, and then max loss a day on that account is 600. On these two accounts is 600 bucks. and I'm done with that. But so yeah, so I'm still underneath my threshold. Okay, so hey, I know I'm gonna make this back tenfold, so I'm not pressed to buy. All right, but that will be it for today. Another amazing day of trading, learning, growing, getting better 1% every day. Let that shit compound. It's just, and obviously today I also had a level of realization where I leveled up in terms of um the style of trading and the setup in terms of the charts and the time frames that I should be looking at, right? So this would have been a good scalp trade or scalp trade that turned into a beginning of the move for the PM session, which is beautiful, right? So love that, love that. But for now, that's not my trade, so I'm gonna let those go and I'll collect the data on those. So data collecting is it's so fun though. It's so fun. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna collect the data on that. For now, I'm sticking to M15, 1 hour key highs and lows, and M1 entry on that for me. So that's where I'm at right now. I'll still collect data on these other ones and see how they fare it and see how they pan out. And if it's something I obviously want to transition to, then obviously, yeah, I'll do that. Even 5 minute when we took that low on the 5 minute swing low displacement, market structure shift, fair value gap. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade on the lower time frames. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. But obviously, those are not my entry time frames, right? So but you never know. Yeah, I might collect that data and it's like, hey, I love the risk on it though. I love that risk to reward on that shit. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it when you eat it. Yeah, that shit is sexy. I love it. I love the risk. The risk is what's pulling me in. Is what's pulling me in. But yeah, let's collect the data and see what the data says. I let the data do answer the questions for me. Okay, I let the data speak for itself. So, but anyway, DJ, catch you tomorrow. As always, happy hunting.